In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get Fishman Karate Blox Fruits First C. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Fishman Karate, or also known as Water Kung Fu, is a fighting style that you can get on the first C or any other C of Blox Fruits. So in order to get this fighting style, you will need money. So the only requirement is that you go to a specific NPC and you pay the price that he is asking for. So this moveset or this fighting style is primarily used for grind. You can acquire it from the Water Kung Fu teacher. It is going to cost you 750,000. For this video, I'm not going to go over how to get this kind of money, but by playing eventually, you will have this amount, and by giving it to the Water Kung Fu teacher, he is going to teach you how to use Water Kung Fu. Once you have the fighting style, you will have access to the entirety of the moveset. The Water Kung Fu teacher can be found on this location here. So, just go to the specific location on the first C, and you will be able to talk to the Water Kung Fu teacher to receive this fighting style. He is located at the underwater city behind the palace directly to its right. So go to the underwater city. Once you go there, you can interact with the NPC and you will be able to give him the necessary amount of money to grant you Water Kung Fu. It is going to be permanent, and you will have access to the base moveset, which is the Steam Charged Fist, the Deadly Shower, and the Heavy Water Punch. You can get it as many times as you wish, but like I said, it is permanent. It allows you to relearn the style at any time, so you just talk to him again if you swap to other fighting styles available in Blox Fruits. I hope I was able to help you on how to get Fishman Karate Blox Fruits First C. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.